What's up, everybody? Dave P here. Today we're talking about tips on working with your private lenders. This is on the tip of my tongue because I've been working with private lenders all day long. And I got some good stuff here for you today. And basically, what it comes down to, everybody, I'll get right into it. And first off, I provided a link in the description. Click on the link, and I'll give you my private lender presentation. So if you're doing a presentation with a lender, you got all my slides and whatnot. And I do a video kind of explaining how to utilize this presentation for your own business. All the signs or the slides are editable, so you're able to customize it for your own business. And like I mentioned, I've been talking to private lenders all day. And unfortunately, I've been talking to private lenders all day because several of my private lenders lost a ton of money in a Ponzi scheme. And I think I spoke about this yesterday. A Ponzi scheme, if you don't know what that is, it's basically a scam business that raises money from people and then uses the money that they're paying, not for business, but to pay other investors, robbing Peter to pay Paul. This is what Bernie Madoff did. It happens every day. It's unfortunate. People lose money. People are crooks. Hope these people go to jail for defrauding people. And several of my private lenders got hurt. So I picked up the phone today, reached out to them. Let's talk about it. And basically the consensus that I came up with, everybody, is the best way for me to help somebody who lost money with some other scam is, number one, I could be moral support for you. Sure, you could cry on my shoulder, but that's not going to put money in the bank. What I can do for you is help you make more money. In my opinion, the best type of lending deals, that the most secure for your private lenders, are the ones where they are lending against one single asset, where they are the only lender, you're the only borrower, the collateral has sufficient equity. Ideally, the collateral or the house could be rented out. In a worst case scenario, if we couldn't sell this property, it could be rented out to pay the interest to the lender. But it's just a little bit safer when there's only one lender involved, one borrower. It's not like a big fund. And I believe that houses are the easiest thing to do due diligence on or research on to check valuations and stuff like that. A lot of these Ponzi schemes, they have people investing in some kind of business. Oftentimes, the person making this investment doesn't understand the business. It's too good to be true. Greed takes over is what it is, everybody. And, a lot of these Ponzi schemes offer double-digit crazy interest, and you're going to be able to get all these, in this particular case, tax write-offs and all this crazy stuff. It's a big mess. But ultimately, this fake business was bringing in investor funds and then using that money to pay interest to other investors, not making any money. And then eventually, when it can't raise any more new money coming in, then it can't pay their investors. The whole thing implodes, and people end up losing money because there was no business to begin with. It was just robbing Peter to pay Paul. So tips in working with private lenders, it's good to talk about this stuff. It's good to compare the type of money that you raise. It's good to compare, I should say, the type of deals that you do as a real estate investor. Compare it to all the scams that are out there, right? What is a Ponzi scheme? It's where people are investing in this business. It's not collateralized money. See, when you are out there raising money for your real estate deals, you can use the real estate as collateral for your lender. That's the name of the game here, everybody. Collateral is king. And then you're also giving your lender a first lien position against this collateral. And it's easy for your lender to do due diligence against this, because if it's one single house, it's so easy to do due diligence on one single house for your lender. When you're investing in businesses, it's tough to do due diligence. You can explain to these people, don't invest in stuff that you don't understand. Everybody needs houses. What do you need to survive on planet Earth? You need food, you need water, and you need shelter. Well, everybody, we're in the shelter business, and we're using this shelter or houses, property, to secure the loan with your private lender. So even if you packed up, went away, and never to be seen again, your lender's money is still safe because their money is attached to this house. And if the terms of the promissory note are not fulfilled, meaning you stop making payments or you can't pay your lender, they can step in and seize that asset. Because they have a lien against this property. So one tip in working with private lenders is compare your lending deals to all the other nonsense that's out there and explain and inform everybody that their money is secured against collateral. Inform them and show them they can do their own due diligence, that the amount that they are lending is less than what the property is worth. So in the event they had to take this property back, they could sell the property probably for more than they loaned on it. Essentially, everybody, what I've been doing, and I suggest we all do this, is I've been doing weekly update videos with my private lenders, and I've been talking about what happened in the previous week. So every Wednesday, I send a private lender video out. I talk about the deals that are upcoming, talk about the deals that we have bought or sold. I talk about the returns that previous investors have made. And I talk about anything happening in the news that kind of affects real estate. And I talk about positive things happening in our marketplace here in the Columbus, Ohio market. The market's still strong. There's a shortage of housing right now, shortage of inventory. Use all this to kind of talk about your business. We're in the real estate business. The shortage of inventory is keeping the market strong. And that's what we do. Explain to your lenders, teach them exactly what you do. They're never going to do it themselves. They want to be a passive investor. They're not trying to be an active business owner like you and like me. Teach them what you do. We're going after off-market properties. We're targeting people who inherited the property, going through divorce. We're talking to people who need to sell, and they need to sell quickly. And you are able to get these properties at deep discounts because you're able to buy it quickly by using their money, using the private loan, right? It's a win for everybody. The seller gets what they want because they want a fast closing. You get what you want, which is a super discounted property. The private lender gets what they want, which is a good return on their money, collateralized, right? Secured with a piece of property. So consider doing weekly update videos to your lenders and to your network and explaining about the deals that you're looking at. Show them exactly how you do due diligence. Show them exactly how you evaluate deals. Show them exactly how you get deals. Students in the past say, Dave, I don't want to show everybody my cards here. I don't want to show people. What if they want to just go and do it themselves? I'm here to let you know. If it was that easy, wouldn't everybody already be doing it? It's not that easy. It's difficult. As you know, if you're a real estate investor on our channel, you're out there in the trenches just like we are, and we're out there fighting every single day to find deals. It's not easy to do. And therefore, it's good and it intrigues. It's very intriguing and interesting to people. They like to see how it's done, but they don't want to do it themselves because it's too hard. It truly is too hard. They want to be a passive investor. They're able to be a passive investor by putting up the money for you to do these real estate deals. It's still good to teach them two things: how you find them. Essentially, these private lenders like to hear the situation of the seller. It's kind of interesting to them. It's entertaining. They like to hear, ooh, this person's going through divorce, or ooh, this person has to sell fast, or, show a lot of, everybody loves it before and after pictures. So when you're doing these lender updates, show before and afters. That's a really great thing to do. It piques people's interest, and show them how you're getting them, how you're negotiating them, show them how you do due diligence, do video walkthroughs of these properties, go live on your Instagram or go live on your YouTube. I don't even know if you can go live on YouTube from the phone. I just do this from my laptop. But go live, show properties that you're working on, completely embody being a real estate investor. Put it out there every single day. Put it out there about how you're finding these deals, the deals that you're doing, before and after. Show HUD settlement statements. Show people that you're making money. Don't be afraid of that. That's that fear of success, right? Sometimes people don't want to put their profits out on the internet because they feel ashamed. They think, what is my family going to think? This and that. Well, everybody, that's like the crabs in the bucket. One crab tries to leave the bucket and the rest of the crabs grab it and pull it right back in. Don't let your previous conditioning limit you. Put yourself out there. Change your identity because you are different. You're creating generational wealth. This is what we're about. True. Break the cycle, right? Become a real estate investor. We're going to help you get there. Work with private lenders. Click the link below, enter your info. We'll give you the private lender presentation. It's totally free. So just wanted to go live, go a quick 10 minutes here, everybody. Work with your private lenders. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm here Monday through Friday. Let me know any questions you have. Leave it in the comments. And I look forward to working with you. I'd love the opportunity to coach you. We have a coaching program. Let me know if you're interested in learning more. We can help you go from zero to your first deal. Get your first deal in 12 weeks. If you follow the protocol, well, we can help you do it. We've helped many, many people get their first deal under their belt. Or if you're somebody who is already doing deals and you want to scale your business, we'll help you get through these refinances, BRRRR strategy. We're doing it every day here, everybody. I got 17 refis going on right now. It's going to be a big payday. Looking at, over 100,000 in tax-free money coming in. I love the opportunity to coach you guys on this, change your life. Work with investors who are in the game. That's what we are. We're not people who used to do it. Clearly, we're not the prettiest either. We come as we are, but we are creating results. And that's all I care about. Results for you, results for us, and we can be successful together. So click that link below, get that free private money presentation, and I will see you all tomorrow.